How to create relevant keywords for your YouTube videos that will grab and attract viewers' attention. Are you struggling to attract viewers to your YouTube channel? Do you want to learn how to create relevant keywords that will increase your video's visibility and attract more viewers? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create relevant keywords for your YouTube videos that will grab and attract viewers' attention. By following our tips, you'll be able to optimize your video content for search engines and increase your chances of getting discovered by potential viewers. When it comes to creating content for YouTube, keywords are essential. Keywords are the words or phrases that people use to search for videos on YouTube and other search engines. By including relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can increase your video's visibility and attract more viewers. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create relevant keywords that will grab and attract viewers' attention. Step 1. Research your audience. The first step to creating relevant keywords is to research your audience. You need to understand what your viewers are searching for and what keywords they're using to find videos on YouTube. You can use tools like Google Trends or YouTube's keyword tool to see what keywords are popular in your niche. Step 2. Identify your video's focus. Once you have a list of potential keywords, you need to identify your video's focus. What is your video about, and what message are you trying to convey? This will help you narrow down your list of keywords and focus on the ones that are most relevant to your video. Step 3. Include keywords in your title and description. Once you've identified your keywords, it's time to include them in your video's title and description. Make sure your title is catchy, but also includes your target keywords. In the description, include a brief summary of your video and make sure to include your target keywords throughout the text. Step 4. Use relevant tags. Tags are another important aspect of creating relevant keywords for your video content. They help YouTube understand what your video is about and make it easier for viewers to find. Make sure to include relevant tags that describe your video's content and include your target keywords. Step 5. Monitor your analytics. Finally, it's important to monitor your analytics to see how your videos are performing. Use YouTube's analytics tool to see which keywords are driving the most traffic to your videos and adjust your strategy accordingly. This will help you optimize your content and attract more viewers over time. By following these tips, you can create relevant keywords for your YouTube videos that will grab and attract viewers' attention. Remember to research your audience, identify your video's focus, include keywords in your title and description, use relevant tags, and monitor your analytics. With a little bit of effort and strategy, you can increase your video's visibility and attract more viewers to your YouTube channel.